Now, with cases continuing to rise, our ICU bed capacity is not going to get any better. Just 1% of those ICU beds are available for patients in the state. THV11's Ian Russell found out. That's leaving nurses in those units feeling discouraged and burnt out.
As cases of the Delta variant continue to go up, our ICU bed capacity continues to go down. Governor Hutchinson put it pretty bluntly today. This is the worst time to get sick.
Well, I think we're in worse position in terms of our ICU beds than we were in January.
The ICU bed situation in Arkansas just keeps getting worse. Out of 1,129 total beds in Arkansas, there are just 12 ICU beds that are available as of Tuesday afternoon.
Everybody has to realize this is not a good time to get sick.
The governor says part of the plan includes making space.
Through specific hospitals, we're opening up additional beds that will be available for COVID patients.
Even though some hospitals are already at capacity.
With COVID numbers going up, we had to move into a separate wing.
Dr. Nikhil Meena works in the ICU at UAMS and says they've stayed busy. He says they're running low on nurses. Some are even leaving the profession, and they can't put just anyone in the unit.
We can't expect a nurse who's not trained to be intensive care nurse to provide the same care that ICU nurse would.
Getting out of this isn't easy either. Both the governor and Dr. Meena say this could stick around.
One of the things we've got to work both to reduce the cases and the exposure, but also to plan ahead because it looks like we're going to have pressure on the hospitals for some time.
Dr. Meena says where we are is discouraging because all of this could have been avoided.
March did look like there was an end of the tunnel at some point, but the tunnel just got longer.
And then the solutions are more difficult and the pressure points are more difficult.
But he says there's ways they could still see some relief.
So if you're vaccinated, still mask and socially distance. If you're not vaccinated, go get vaccinated and continue masking. Or we're going to be in this till 2023.
Reporting in Little Rock, I'm Ian Russell, THV 11 News.